Today I want to show you how to lift your front tire. Alright, with the front stand. So the front stand coming, it's gonna be loosened like this. So don't be confused. I will show you what the reason why. So before you put the front stand, you have to put in the rear stand first. Remember that. Don't do the front stand without the rear stand. Alright. Yeah, here what you gotta do. You go to the fork. This one, you go right here, and another one you go to back side the fork. So something like this. See that? And then just lift it up. So this one should be loose because they're supposed to do that. Because that fork the angle like this, maybe 15 degree or 10 degree, I don't know, but the angle, that's why you got to do that. Okay, you what's you gotta do? You see this one in the middle up here, and the one against the back of the fork. Same thing with here, right here, the back of the fork. Alright, good luck. All the wood right here because I want to remove the rear tire, so I'll show you why you need the wood later. Alright, bye bye.